Have you ever wondered why Hieronymus Bosch's paintings are filled with such bizarre and symbolic imagery? Let's delve into one of his most fascinating works, The Ship of Fools, created around 1490. Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we explore The Ship of Fools by Hieronymus Bosch, a painting that encapsulates the chaos and folly of human nature. This oil-on-wood painting, now housed in the Louvre Museum, was originally part of a larger triptych. The other panels included an allegory of gluttony and lust and death and the miser. Bosch's The Ship of Fools is a satirical piece inspired by the 1494 publication of Sebastian Brandt's allegorical text, Das Narrenschiff, The Ship of Fools. The painting depicts a boat filled with a variety of characters engaged in frivolous and foolish activities, symbolizing the moral